army dog coming back one more time. I finally got it done. Oh my gosh, this was 4 hours of my life of trying this and trying that. And I finally got it done. So, major reveal here. Dun dun dun, dun, garage door. Look at that. Beautiful. And why don't you come back down? Oh, way back there. Comes down awfully quick, but that T3 concrete is heavy. Oh, but it's so good once it's done. One more time. Where is that? There it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's so beautiful going up. Look at that. Let's see from the other side. Uh-oh. Oops. There we go. It's a little rough. I ain't gonna lie to you. It gets there. You can't have it go any faster because it'll blow it off the hinges. But that is fan-freaking-tastic. We're gonna go out here. Trigger that guy one more time. Watch her come on down. Oh, that's gorgeous. Alright guys, that's just a quick little update. Got rid of that nasty old door. I'm going to set these sensors onto sense and color again and keep on scrapping.